Welcome to your horoscope for May 1st to 15th, 2025. Whether you're navigating work, relationships, or personal growth, this is your cosmic guide to making wise decisions and embracing a peaceful lifestyle during these 2 weeks. As an Aries, your fiery spirit and natural leadership will be amplified by Mars, your ruling planet, which aligns harmoniously with Jupiter in early May. This celestial partnership brings clarity and confidence, perfect ingredients for tackling challenges head-on and seizing opportunities that come your way. Career and finances. In your career, expect breakthroughs around May 3rd and 4th. You'll feel inspired to take bold steps toward projects or goals you've been hesitant about. Trust yourself. It's time to shine. However, remember that patience pays off. Before finalizing big decisions, double-check details to avoid unnecessary setbacks. Financially, smart investments could yield long-term rewards. Stay disciplined and don't let impulsive spending derail your peace of mind. Relationships and social life. This period encourages meaningful connections. On May 7th, Venus enters your social sector, bringing harmony and joy into your interactions. Single Aries might meet someone special who shares your zest for life. For those in partnerships, prioritize open communication. Small gestures like heartfelt conversations or shared activities can strengthen bonds. Surround yourself with people who uplift you. They're key to maintaining inner peace. Health and well-being. Your energy levels will soar, but don't forget to balance action with rest. Around May 9th, the moon highlights the importance of self-care. Take time to recharge through meditation, exercise, or simply enjoying quiet moments alone. Remember, true strength comes from nurturing both body and soul. By prioritizing wellness, you create space for wisdom and calm decision-making, personal growth, and spirituality. The second week of May invites introspection. Around May 12th, Mercury retrograde may stir up old thoughts or unresolved issues. Instead of resisting, use this energy to reflect and release what no longer serves you. Journaling or seeking guidance from mentors can help clarify your path forward. Embrace change, not as something to fear, but as an opportunity to grow stronger and wiser. Aries, these 2 weeks are all about harnessing your courage and intuition to make choices that align with your highest good. Trust in your abilities, stay grounded, and keep your heart open to new possibilities. When you do, you'll not only achieve success, but also cultivate lasting peace and fulfillment. The stars are cheering you on every step of the way.